Digestive enzymes. What are they and how do they work? I'm Anton, a gastroenterologist based in Melbourne, Australia. Think of your digestive system as a complex factory. Digestive enzymes are the workers that break down raw materials or food into usable products or nutrients. They are highly specialised, each designed to tackle a specific type of food molecule. These tiny protein powerhouses are essential for breaking down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can absorb. There are three main types of digestive enzymes. Amylase, which breaks down carbohydrates, starches and sugars into simple sugars like glucose. Protease, which breaks down proteins into amino acids, the building blocks of our tissues. And lipase, which breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Where are digestive enzymes produced? Our bodies produce these enzymes in various organs. Salivary glands produce amylase to start breaking down carbohydrates in the mouth. The stomach produces pepsin, a protease that begins protein digestion. The pancreas is a major player, producing a variety of enzymes including amylase, protease and lipase. And the small intestine produces its own enzymes as well as receiving enzymes from the pancreas. Why are digestive enzymes important? When our digestive enzymes aren't working optimally, we may experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation or diarrhea. Factors like age, diet and certain medical conditions can affect our enzyme production. Here are some tips to support healthy digestion. 1. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables and whole grains provides essential nutrients and fibre. 2. Consider digestive enzyme supplements. These can be helpful for people with specific digestive issues or dietary restrictions. 3. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria in our gut can also support digestion. If you're experiencing persistent digestive problems, it's important to consult with your doctor. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Note, this video is not a medical consultation. Any medical information is general in nature and is not intended to provide individual clinical advice. You should contact your doctor or other healthcare professional in relation to any concerns they may have, as your own circumstances may be different. To book a consultation or to find out more, visit our website.